when I was in Kauai, I wanted to go kayaking. So I went online and searched kayaking Kauai, and it brought me to this company right here, Kayak Wailua. All right, so I found that. There is their number right there. And so I booked it, and then I drove up to their location, and it was just looked like a house, but it had a whole bunch of kayaks in the back. And this is one of the kayaks right here that they offer for the people who sign up for it. So this one right here is a 2-seater kayak, and it has seats in there with backing, so you don't have to worry about straining your back while kayaking. Now, when you get there, they offer a bag, a waterproof bag, where you can put your items in to keep them dry while you're kayaking. So this is one of the bags right here, a nice and sturdy bag, a pretty nice thing that they offer. And after that, you go ahead and get inside of a van, and they take you to the location of where you're going to start kayaking. So you see right here, I am in the van right here. They're taking me to the location. Now we're pulling up to the launch dock for kayaking right here. You see there's already some cars out here. Maybe some people came out here by themselves to go kayaking. Well, anyway, we're going to join them. Me and this whole tour group that's signed up to go kayaking. You can see kayaks lined up right there, ready to be launched. All right, so we get there, and here are the kayaks right here. They're all set up for us. We just have to go ahead and put them into the water and begin kayaking. Now, if you go by yourself, they'll pair you up with someone, perhaps if there's someone available, and they don't mind the way you smell. Okay, so you get the kayaks. You see this right here. It comes with paddles right here, and they're fairly light, so you can pick them up if they're not already in the water and bring them close. Now, here's one thing that you should wear. Right here are water shoes, and it's important that you get water shoes because your feet are going to get wet. When you're stepping in and out of the kayak, you may not be close to dry land, and it makes sense to have some sort of shoe that can get wet, such as this water shoe. All right, so these are right here. These are fairly nice water shoes right here that this person has on. You see, it has a little bit of grip on the bottom, so you don't slip too much, because the rocks inside of the water can be fairly slippery. So once you get inside of the kayak, you just go ahead and kayak down the river. The tour guide tells you where to go. Some people go a little bit ahead of others, and some people are just, I'd say, fast challenged, to be nice. All right, so once you do that, we go kayaking down, and then we get off and we get on to dry land. And from here, we go on a hike to get to a waterfall. Now, this is a plant that's along the way. As you can see right there, I'm tapping it with my finger. It closes when you tap it, almost like a Venus flytrap, except for it doesn't trap flies. Now, on the hike, it's not really that bad of a hike, not a lot of inclination. It's just straight paths. And then there's a couple of beautiful areas right here where people lay down flowers as some sort of memorial. Those smell really great. I don't know why they laid down the flowers, but it looks really cool. And when you're walking along the path, as you can see right there, there are some water shoes. This is what you will be hiking with. And you get close to the waterfall. You can see the waterfall right here. That is at the end of the hike after kayaking. This is a nice looking waterfall right here. Comes all the way down. You can go in there and go swimming. And with this tour group, they take you to the, go to the waterfall. All right, you go in there. Some people actually get inside and go swimming, and that is an option. You do not have to go swimming inside of the waterfall. But while in Kauai, why would you not go swimming in under the waterfall? There's chickens around. They don't seem to mind the waterfall. They might try to jump in too, but I guess they're too chicken. But either way, people just lounge around, have sandwiches, and enjoy themselves and smell the fresh air and the mist from the waterfall. And the chicken is looking for someone to drop some sort of food or morsel, or perhaps some chicken crumbs. I don't know what chickens eat. I guess they eat chicken crumbs. I don't know. But it's overall, it's a nice hike, nice kayak. And that's kayaking in Hawaii. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.